The mayfly is a very small insect. Its wings are transparent, its body delicate. It has no mouth. Its time alive is the shortest, just a day. 24 hours is all the mayfly gets to experience. Humans have been on Earth for so little time. We are ourselves like the mayfly. How does one even measure their or our brief experience of life? It may all come down to what we're paying attention to, what our consciousness is experiencing, and to think there have never been before so many distractions to numb our awareness, to profit off our attention. Imagine just having 24 hours and wasting it scrolling. If only we had better reminders of life's brevity. If the image of the mayfly and other symbols of impermanence could be printed on our money, taught at schools, integrated into the phone apps we scroll daily, we could dare to be present with our environments. Our attention is the most valuable thing we have. So what are we going to do with it?